alarms also. That is what I'm highlighting. You proceed with the list, no problem. I'm not stopping it. Okay, we need, for example, heaps package. There are multiple alarms, system alarms. We have deviation alarms. Lot of alarms is there. So those alarms also has to be prioritized. Otherwise, how to configure at site without having that information? For example, SD all have limb switches. Okay, if you not get the feedback, there will be one alarm.
That I think is not. It's like what you are saying is system alarm or something like that. Whether this need to be considered in this alarm rationalization workshop, I'm not sure.
No, all the alarms to be considered in the workshop. I don't know.
Mr. Chairman, can you advise
Yes,
us?
if it is alarm function,
Actually, previous workshop, what we did, we made one typical. For example, there is SD function. This is the alarms. We have to assign this. Okay, like that, you have to make typical. Correct.
Gong, we have to make a typical one. Yes, he's right.
I think for deviation alarms should be typical only, right?
Correct. So you have to discuss. For
Yeah.
example, there are two SDV walls. Okay, what all the instruments available with us? What are the alarms is there? You have to make one typical. Okay, all the SDs to be followed as per this, so that we can configure it very easily.
Okay, I would suggest Gong one thing. Let us go with this list, and meantime, in the evening after the workshop, you can update the tag number, and you can give it to me. We have to run through, and Guru is right.
But that will not be covered in alarm and trip list, right? That kind of alarm. I mean, how we can track this kind of alarm?
See, if it is
So,
alarm, yes.
what I see from this train 8, this transmitter discrepancy alarm is there, right? Coming from the HIP system itself. And then there are several other fail alarms open.
Yeah, correct.
Fail to open, fail to close. So basically, I think the suggestion that we make a list of these typical and then we follow. By the way, this priority is 2 for this discrepancy alarm in the existing system. So I'll share this file with you. I think this can give us some clues how to deal with this.
I think Chairman, you have to lead this session. Now, see,
Yes.
yeah, correct. Otherwise, we will miss the alarms. Then there is no purpose to do this workshop again.
See, we did the alignment and we requested all the list of alarm. If the list is not complete, then we have to make the addition of this alarm. And then,
Chairman, this list is prepared based on the pain ID. Okay. Apart from that list, there are certain alarms from instrumentation's perspective that you have to ask. Then only you can conclude it. If you're not asking, nobody will give this.